What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for swinging by Sugar Fingers. Y'all, guess what? Your girl has finally nailed down the perfect lashes for me. Not too long, not too short, not too anything. Just perfect. Got the right curl that I want. And those I found on Ulta. Ulta, yes. Listen, I did a review, or I did a little try on of the Jasmine Brown faux lashes. Okay, the Eyelure, that's the one that I recently start kind of playing around with. Now, guess what? Out of the three or four pair that I picked up, the one that suits me the best is the Eyelure Jasmine Brown Faux Glow lashes right here. So I just placed me an order, and the order here from Ulta, y'all, guess what? Because I've been doing a little shopping, I got me a great and wonderful little reward discount off of the 4 pair that I ordered. Now, y'all know usually I don't go that extreme with lashes, but there's just a certain kind that when I'm really rocking, now for every day I probably won't wear these, but when I'm rocking them and I in concert or what have you, I need that nice curve. I don't need my eyelashes laying all over just crazy looking. These were perfect. Okay, so let me show you up close right here. These are the ones. In case you want to pick them up, I'll have the link below. Eyelure, the Jasmine Brown Faux Glow Lashes. And it says here only at Ulta, so I guess that's the case. But look at them really close up. Nice length, not too long, just perfect. And I love that. I do. I like the little wispy part of them. I love again, they have a nice kind of a C curl on the lash and not just pointing straight out because of my eye shape. I thought these were best. So just to let you know that little tidbit, but in case you want to check them out, go to Ulta and shop there or shop my link below. And I'm going to put these in my favorites, yes, because they are the ones, and I'll be going back time and time again. I'll probably stockpile them because I don't want to be without them, because these are the ones for sure. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, just bringing you something here that you may want to know what kind of lashes your girl be rocking and want to rock. But this is my favorite, so if you see me doing any makeup videos, check out the eyelashes. They're going to probably be Eyelure Jasmine Brown Faux Glow Lashes, and these are a faux mink. Bam! Alright, beautiful babes, I'll see y'all on the next one. Take care of yourself and make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell, and always keep your hair, your face, your hands, and your feet looking gorgeous. See ya! Bye now!